This 2015 Coachmen Chaparral X-Lite 28 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Selinsgrove, Pennsylvania, 17870 and is offered for sale by Susquehanna RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.